Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic4U. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple table and texturing in Cinema 4D. It's very easy, let's get started. First I'm going to start by designing the top shape of the table. So I'll create a cylinder, then I'll go to display and I'll change it to Gouraud shading lines. And I'll change radius to 150. Height, I'll change it to 5. And rotation segments, I'll change it to 100. Then I'll go to caps and I'll check fillet. Then I'll change radius to 2 centimeters. I'll move it a bit up along the y-axis. Okay, now I'll create a new circle and I'll go to plane to change it to XZ. Now I'll decrease radius to 140. Also I'll move it up. Then I'll create a new rectangle. Okay, I'll decrease width to 5 centimeters and height to 10. Then I'll go also to y-axis and I'll bring it up like that. I'm going to create a new sweep and I'll select a rectangle. Then I'll press Shift to select the circle as well, and I'm going to drag them both inside the sweep. Select the sweep and also I'll bring it up like that. And now I'm going to start drawing the legs. So I'll switch to the front view and select the pen tool to draw the table legs. And I'm going to start drawing by placing a point here and then adding another point over here. Then drag your mouse to create a curve. Then I'll go here and also add another point and just drag your mouse like that. Right click and disconnect point. Okay. Now I'll go to perspective view. Create a new rectangle and I'll decrease width to 10. And height I'll change it to 15. And also I'll move the rectangle shape up. I'm going to create a new sweep. Then I'll select a spline and also select the rectangle. And I'm going to drag them both inside the sweep. Then I'll go to intermediate points and set adaptive to subdivided. Okay. Now double click on sweep to name it leg 1. And I'll go to Ctrl C, then Ctrl V to copy it. I'll name the new one leg 2. Now I'll go to the rotation tool and I'll rotate like that. I'll do this again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'll name it leg 3. And I'll rotate it again. Last time, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'll name it leg 4, and I'll go to rotation, and I'll rotate it like that. And see, now we have 4 legs. Okay, now last thing, I'll add a new cylinder again. And I'll decrease height like that. Also, I'll decrease the radius to 30. And that's all. Now we have a sample table in Cinema 4D. So now I'll add a material, and you can download free material from Cinema 4D Center. Okay, it's completely free, so I'll create a new material, then double click on it. Go to color and click on this icon to add your texture. Check normal and also click on this icon, and I'll add this texture. First, I'll add or drag this texture on our cylinder. Then I'll drag it on sweep. And also legs 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the last cylinder. And that's all. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.